Join me as I take on the challenge of making money using AI in 2024, and I'll share my journey every step of the way. The concept of using AI to make money in 2024 is not only relevant but also packed with potential. With the rise of automation and machine learning, it's no secret that AI is changing the game for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, leveraging AI can be a total game changer when it comes to generating income. Traditional income generation methods can be a real grind. We've all been there, stuck in a 9-to-5 job feeling like a cog in a machine, or trying to make ends meet with a side hustle that's just not cutting it. The truth is, these methods can be limiting, time-consuming, and often leave us feeling drained and unfulfilled. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way that uses the power of AI to create a more sustainable, more profitable, and more enjoyable income stream. One of the biggest challenges people face is that they're just not tech-savvy enough to take advantage of AI. They think it's only for coders and developers, but that's just not true. The reality is that AI has become incredibly accessible, even for those with limited technical knowledge. Another challenge is that people are afraid to take the leap. They're stuck in their comfort zone and don't know where to start. But the thing is, the sooner you start, the sooner you can start seeing results. Yet another challenge is that people are skeptical about the potential of AI to generate real income. They think it's just a fad, or that it's only for the lucky few. But the truth is, AI has the potential to democratize income generation, making it possible for anyone to succeed. And finally, people often get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there. They don't know what to focus on, and they end up doing nothing. When it comes to using AI to make money, the tools and platforms available in 2024 are vast and varied. From language generation tools like ChatGPT to data analysis platforms like Google Analytics, the possibilities are endless. You can use AI to generate content, automate tasks, or even create entire businesses from scratch. For example, you could use AI-powered social media management tools to boost your online presence, or leverage AI-driven affiliate marketing platforms to earn passive income. Another example is using AI to create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or software. The best part is that you don't need to be an expert in AI to get started. You can use pre-built templates and drag-and-drop builders to create your products in no time. And let's not forget about AI-powered dropshipping, where you can create and sell physical products without holding any inventory. One platform that's really caught my attention is Midjourney, an AI-powered design tool that lets you generate stunning visuals in just a few clicks. You can use it to create social media graphics, website designs, or even entire brand identities. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you don't need to be a designer to use it. I want to highlight a particularly successful case study that showcases the power of AI in making money. One person who's been killing it with AI is a digital marketer named Alex Becker. He's been using AI to generate content, automate tasks, and even create entire businesses from scratch. The result? He's been able to scale his income to over 7 figures, and he's still growing. What I love about Alex's strategy is that it's not just about the tech. It's about using AI to create a lifestyle of freedom and flexibility. He's able to work from anywhere, at any time, and he's got the financial freedom to pursue his passions. And the best part is that he's not a tech genius. He's just a normal guy who's willing to learn and adapt. Alex's story is a testament to the power of AI in making money. It's not just about the tools and platforms. It's about using AI to create a mindset shift. It's about believing in yourself, taking the leap, and trusting that the results will follow. And that's exactly what I want to inspire in you. To recap, using AI to make money in 2024 is not only possible, but also potentially life-changing. By leveraging AI tools and platforms, you can overcome the challenges of traditional income generation methods and create a more sustainable, more profitable, and more enjoyable income stream. So, what are your thoughts about AI and making money? Have you had any successes or failures? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about AI and business, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights. Thanks for watching.